How to fix WhatsApp PDF file not show problem? Open Play Store and search WhatsApp. New update please. New version update. Search setting. Open setting and scroll down. Open apps. Managing apps. Open and search WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and clear page and open face stop clear. Okay, open Play Store and search PDF. And download PDF recorder PDF file. Install PDF. Open WhatsApp. Open PDF. Download. Download PDF apps. Thank you. Subscribe my channel. New update video.